We have a toy car with charge Q moves on a frictionless horizontal plane surface under the influence of a uniform electrical field E. Due to the force QE, its velocity increases from 0 to 6 meters second in 1 second duration. At that instant, the direction of the field is reversed. The car continues to move for 2 more seconds under the influence of this field. The average velocity of the average speed of the car between 0 to 3 seconds are respectively. Now, as we know that the car velocity, the acceleration between them is same. So, the distance traveled in the first second can be given by S equals to initial velocity plus final velocity divided by 2 into time t. Now, which we will get the first value as 3 meters. Now, for the distance of 9 meter, the average speed would be 3 meter per second. And so the average velocity, so the displacement would be 3 meter. So the average velocity would be 1 meter per second. So the correct option for this question is option 3.